Imagine getting $300 literally for free just by opening a Chase Total checking account. No investments, no tricky schemes. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to claim your $300 bonus in 2025, and it's 100% real. Hello and welcome to the channel where we talk about money hacks, finance tips, and ways to grow your money smartly. Chase is offering this $300 bonus for new customers who open a Total checking account, and the bonus is credited after completing a qualifying direct deposit. Basically, free money for doing something you'd normally do anyway, like setting up direct deposit for your paycheck. To be eligible, you must be 18 or older, a new Chase customer, have a valid Social Security number and USA address, and complete the qualifying direct deposit within 90 days of account opening. Here's how to claim it. First, open a Chase Total checking account either online or at a branch, making sure to fill out all your personal details. Second, fund your account with at least $25 to activate it. Third, set up one direct deposit of $500 or more within 90 days using the Chase routing and account numbers, and make sure the deposit is fully cleared. Fourth, wait for Chase to credit your $300 bonus, usually within 10 business days, and check your account online or via the mobile app. And fifth, avoid common mistakes like having another Chase checking account, missing the 90-day direct deposit window, or closing your account too soon. Extra tips to maximize your bonus include using the Chase mobile app to track your deposits, setting reminders to ensure the deposit posts on time, and combining with other promotions like referral bonuses if eligible. This is literally free money and a smart way to start building good banking habits. So that's it, your complete step-by-step guide to claim $300 free from Chase Bank in 2025. No investment, no scams, 100% real. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money hacks, and comment below if you've claimed your bonus or have questions. I read every comment and will help you out.